Good morning, Molly.
Good morning, Nadine.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well. I feel okay. That's good. I am still a little sleepy. Me too. It is hard to wake up early.
What time is it now?
It is 8 o'clock.
Oh, okay. We should get up soon.
Yes. We have a busy day today. What are you having for breakfast?
I am having toast, eggs, and coffee. What about you?
I am eating cereal and a banana.
Is it healthy?
Yes, and it is very easy to make.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. It gives me energy.
I feel better after breakfast, too.
Me too. I am ready now.
I need to get dressed now.
Me too. I need to choose my clothes.
What are you wearing today?
I am wearing a blue shirt and jeans.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes, it is. What about you?
I am wearing a dress and a jacket.
Nice choice.
Thank you. Are you ready to go?
Almost. I need my bag and my keys.
Okay. Let's leave together.
Yes. Have a good day.
Good morning. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to talk about a product I bought here.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I bought this face cream 2 days ago. I tried it last night, and I have a problem with it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what happened?
Yes, after I used the cream, my skin felt itchy. This morning, my face is red and a little sore.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. That must be uncomfortable.
Yes, it is. I stopped using the cream right away.
That was a good idea. Did you use a small amount or a lot of the cream?
I used only a small amount. I followed the instructions on the box.
Thank you for explaining. Do you usually have sensitive skin?
Yes, my skin is quite sensitive, and some products do not work well for me.
I understand. Do you still have the receipt with you?
Yes, I do. Here is the receipt.
Thank you. Let me check it for you. Okay, everything looks fine.
That's good to hear.
Would you like a refund or would you prefer to exchange the product?
I would like a refund, please. I am a little worried about trying another cream.
That's no problem at all. I can help you with the refund right now.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help.
We're very welcome. In the future, we have products for sensitive skin, and you can always ask us for advice.
That's very helpful. Thank you for telling me.
Here is your refund. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for today. Thank you again.
You're welcome. I hope your skin feels better soon. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to the bakery. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to buy a cake, please.
Of course. What kind of cake are you looking for?
I am looking for a chocolate cake. It is for a small birthday.
We have chocolate cake, chocolate cream cake, and chocolate fruit cake.
I see. Which one is the most popular?
The chocolate cream cake is very popular. It is soft and not too sweet.
That sounds nice. How big is the cake?
This size is good for 4 to 6 people.
That is perfect. How much is it?
It is $20.
Okay. I would like 1 chocolate cream cake, please.
Would you like anything written on the cake?
Yes, please. Can you write happy birthday?
Of course. Would you like anything else, such as candles?
Yes, I need some candles, please.
No problem. I will add them for you.
Thank you. How long will it take?
It will be ready in about 10 minutes.
That's fine. I can wait.
Here is your cake. Please check the writing.
It looks perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I will pay by card, please.
All right. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy the cake. Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to the stationery shop. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I am looking for some stationery items, please.
Of course. What do you need today?
I need a notebook for school and some pens.
No problem. What size notebook would you like?
A medium-sized notebook is good for me.
Would you like lined pages or blank pages?
Lined pages, please. They are easier for writing.
Okay. How many notebooks do you need?
Just 1 notebook is enough.
All right. And what kind of pens are you looking for?
I am looking for blue and black pens.
Do you prefer ballpoint pens or gel pens?
Ballpoint pens, please. They last longer.
How many pens would you like?
I would like 3 blue pens and 2 black pens, please.
Okay. I will get those for you. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I also need an eraser and a ruler.
Here you are. Please check everything.
Yes, everything looks good. Thank you. How much is everything?
The total is $10.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Would you like a bag for your items?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too. Goodbye.